Snake POV. Don't forget to slime your bike tire. So I get off work and I walk. Wow, it feels strange to ride on. I walk to the bike, you know. Tire is completely flat. So I have to pump it up, you know. So it doesn't empty out immediately. It's a bit of a slow. Well, normally when I go here, wow, it's a bit of a slow flat, you know. Slowly emptying. Gonna fix that today. Be more expensive though than what could have been done instead. I'm gonna tell all about that, you know. And we're gonna see in future videos how well the tire runs on commute, you know. It's these damn roads. They're not very clean. Plenty of people throwing bottles, you know, and in this case part of a thorn bush. Those thorny things. Anyways, online you can just buy tubeless sealant, you know, slime, and you can buy this for like $4, €4, you know, full bottle, and just pour it all into the tube via the where you pump the air, you know. I don't know how to say that in English. Man, let me know in the comments. I have no idea. And you just put it in that one, you know. You take away the cap and you put it in. And then these kind of things, they work themselves out. I did it on the back wheel. Fixed 4 flats by itself. But I think, I saved some money. I don't do on the front wheel. Very stupid. So now I get to pump it, you know, ride on it, be annoyed. And I'm not gonna order slime, you know, from the internet because I need the bike. So I'm just gonna take it to the bike store. The one we saw in the earlier video, and I'm gonna get a slime there. That's gonna cost me €9 to fill up the entire tire. You know, that's about the same as the dollar, you know, $9. Get them to just fill it up. It's a quick fix, you know, but more than twice the cost. Not too bad though, you know. Oof. It does not feel good to ride this tire, man. It is what it is. Stop here and fill it up a little bit more, and as we stop we can see what caused puncture. These branches that fall, you can look at this little one here. Oh man, I have a nice one just sticking out of the wheel. leaking a lot faster now than it did the way here. For once, the car is quicker than the e-bike. Oh, now that I think about it, I have like some patching equipment as well. Just forgot it at home. So I checked on the maps, 54-minute walk to get to bike store. But riding like this, you know, it's gonna be quicker. $16.22 right now. Bike store closes 6 o'clock, I think. Yeah. So when you work normal 9 to 5, you better not have any overtime that day, you know, or you're not gonna make it to the stores. You know, some of them stores, they open 9 to 5 as well, you know. And I work 9 to 5, so I'm never gonna be able to visit your store, man. But I guess they don't make those stores for the snake, you know, they make it for some tourist people with money and free time. Some housewives, perhaps, you know. All the time in the world. Things I notice when the tire is a bit flat is that the turning ratio is a bit worse. So you can't turn. Oh man, look at all that glass on the. Yeah, you can't turn as sharply with you know, flat tire as you can when it's full. So a lot less agile. Again on the bike store, my dudes. Let's get there. No more pumping by hand. And you know, worst case, I just have to change the damn tube. Lucky it's the front tire, you know, no issues. It's a lot easier than the back tire where I have to take off the chain and everything like that. The only really annoying part is to actually get the wheel into place. That part sucks. How do I know this? Well, I tried on my back wheel once. And I also assembled this bike. The front wheel came off and I put it back in. Didn't even read the instruction manual. Check it out. Actually use this feature now. Man, what the hell are these Irish people screaming? And that's the most scuffed view ever. What the hell? Look at that shit. Luckily I know roughly direction, you know. Been there once, just wanted to check the quickest way. Damn, it's lucky I know my so much glass. It's lucky I know my way around, you know. Otherwise, that's not an easy view to tire holding up nicely. Definitely gonna make it. Famous last words before it pops. Feeling the best. Ireland with instructions on what to do.
Pieces of the red.
I'm just lucky there's still a bike store left in town. With everything going online these days. Force. Just gonna take away the camera now when I go and get it fixed.